Welcome. If you've ever sent a GIF in an Instagram group chat from your PC and instantly wished you could take it back, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unsend a GIF from a group on the Instagram app for PC, using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages right away. Next, look to the left menu and click on the Messages icon. It usually looks like a paper airplane and will open up your inbox with all your recent conversations, including your group chats. Now, scroll through your list and find the group where you sent the GIF you want to remove. Click on the group to open the chat window. Once you're inside the group chat, carefully scroll to find the specific GIF message you want to unsend. You'll notice 3 dots next to the GIF. These are your options for managing that message. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Unsend. Instagram will then ask you to confirm if you really want to remove this GIF from the conversation. Click Confirm, and just like that, the GIF will disappear from the group chat for everyone. It's as if it was never sent in the first place. This feature is incredibly helpful for those moments when you send a GIF by accident or simply change your mind. With just a few clicks, you can keep your group chats tidy and avoid any awkward situations. So to recap, open the Instagram app, click on the Messages icon, select your group, find the GIF, click the 3 dots, choose Unsend, and confirm your decision. That's all it takes to take back a GIF on Instagram's latest PC update. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for mastering your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.